cut all the way like that. Now we come through with something that's not gonna tear through your pizza dough. We're gonna press our ends all the way on all of them like this to make sure that we do not lose our ingredients. Start to give it its shape by twisting. Give it twisting. Give it a twist all the way, and we twist. Put it here. Get some pesto. Nice big spoon. And smooth it out all the way to the bottom. Now that we have that, we're gonna come through with some Parmesan, just like this. Get some cherry tomatoes, and we start to place them. Here we go. Here we go, nice little cherry tomatoes again, guys, for this Christmas tree pizza. Now check this out, we're gonna come right here. Grab this, all you gotta do is twist, 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 and bring it over all the way across, just like that. And we continue doing the same thing like this. Gonna go ahead and twist, and as you see, they want to unroll themselves, but we got a little trick for you. We're gonna go like this, 3, bring it over and around. This one here goes right through and it stays. And some pine nuts. Goes perfect, perfect, perfect with this pesto, just like that. Got some pearl onions here and there, just like that. We're gonna come through with bell peppers and tomatoes. We're gonna kind of put them here and there, guys, wherever you want, wherever your little heart desires. We're gonna place them everywhere, all colors. Make this nice and pretty. Here we go, just like that. We're gonna finish off with our cheese-filled star right here. Place it right on the top where it goes. Little egg wash on that, and we're off to the oven for this beautiful Christmas tree pizza. This way. Christmas, you can make an edible tree. Delicious. Be back in about 15 to 20 minutes. We are back from the oven. Let's finish this off with a little detail. Let's go with some Parmesan. Make it look like snow all the way. And make it nice and fresh with some basil leaves right here.